That is the Sleeping Giant mountain, or so they tell me. The chef has an herb garden outside on the trails that he picks from for dinner. There's wildlife all over the place for us to enjoy. There's this cute little turtle pool equipped with turtles. There should be another one in there. Oh, there he is. Right there. And inside the pool there are fish. I don't see any right now, but take my word for it, there are some fish. And turtles. There's this cute little hangout area. Comes with a swing. And a little outside kitchen for us to use. Since we've been here, nobody's used it. There's some other little meeting palapas. Here we have the pool and the hot tub, which nobody is using. Throughout the property, there's little creeks and waterfalls. So beautiful. This is the wood-fired pizza oven place where you can get pizzas cooked in a wood-fired oven. This is the 3-story restaurant. It's really nice inside. They have bikes available to use along the grounds or wherever you want. So you just have to let them know you're taking them. So I have some duck neighbors. There's one cleaning himself off, and the other one back there just trying to get a little shade. This is my patio. It's got a couch and a table, a hammock, a lamp, and a fan, and a little koi pond in front of it that has kois and ducks. I don't know if you can see the koi, but they're all in there. So yeah, this is my view. And this is my room. You would have thought I would taken pictures of it before sleeping in it, but I did not. So this is my room. That is a king-size bed. It is enormous. And then I got a couch and a chair and, or not a chair, but couch and table. And then in here, this closet, I've got a little coffee maker and a fridge and a water bottle thing. And then in the other closet, I've got a little extra pillows and a dresser and like a hanging closet and yoga mats, because there's a yoga studio here, which I will not be partaking in. And then the bathroom is this ginormous shower. This beautiful sink. I'm just in love with it. It's actually brown. It looks more purple in the camera, but it's like brown with like bronzy glitter accents. It's beautiful. And then a separate toilet room. And that's my room. Now I'm in my hammock, enjoying the heat, the weather, the ducks playing in the water. They're making a lot of ruckus. And a nice Coke. Waiting for my spa lady to arrive to give me a pedicure, which I clearly need. Good times. So they're both spazzing out. I think they're broken. I think somebody broke them, but they've been like spazzing big time. And now they're chilled because they know they're on camera. Our first sunset for our first night on the boat. This video does not do it justice. Oh, there he is.
Oh my god, this is so weird! Ew!
No.
Okay, sorry. I'm gonna be cool. I don't want to.
Whoa. Jen, that one's yours.
No, I have no intention of doing that. So weird!
Oh, there he is.